out here.
He's all.
That is awesome to have you here.
Oh,
that Charlie miss me. I miss her on that level, when she used to be
with links. It was like back to back hit. Davy was hit. Go and see my mother.
I said, only get lady way say remix class and Akosua Takyiwaa. Omo bonyum fufuro bi. I say, but when she was with links,
but what is it with these record labels? When we say we are not working with you anymore, then we fall into water.
Links, any highly spiritual. I've seen that thing about them. Links, any highly spiritual. Because highly spiritual musicians are free in dancing and I said papa. But mama ni ji pan. I'm a natural girl, yeah. Na. Hey, na. Okay.
Oh, hey, I remember. Hey, no style.
I love it.
You did from,
you know, with links, I was working for Ohini Media.
Okay.
As of that time, so only AB, ASA, and now like we were one family.
Yeah.
So you know, I loved artists.
And maybe one drop is so da. It's hit. I
loved you can see, say even in the videos.
Sheriff buy it. There is a sheriff in town. Sheriff.
Now I know maybe over one station. I know to one YC. I know that I say no to one. I'm saying
I'm fat. But I know more social media. Oh, now can even I mean
that's how I saw it.
Sanfa
Ankoye. There's a sheriff in town. She
even did song with Tiwa Savage.
And I'm so Sanfa. But her first one with Tiwa with the lady there.
Yemi Alade.
You see my mother. What's that Koye pa? But only Tiwa Savage is big.
I think we need to bring some of the record label holders. No, niembe busomo. Then pan what this show art to cinema. What to me peja. But almost fear then it's like that.
So sometimes, some people are simply blessed. I will see a shiny. And beyond that, beyond somebody just being simply blessed or Midas touch, or the Ninsaso be attention. Midas touch.
Oh, please.
But beyond that, the connection, connections or one, or radio station DJs nina. Almost sit in your crack as a Charlie boss, reaching young dear. So, and what's going on in the world of entertainment? So let's hear it.
Now, because say story somebody burn up who are your website. It's a I never follow your my your website. And Auntie Joy can say TV is pay as you go. So phone crown now you comment as mini fainting to me share AM Max morning show ni Debbie. So your website in your max.com.gh be your live and of course your YouTube your Max TV Ghana, X Max TV Ghana, Instagram Max TV GH online. Na me so me personal hand I will follow me around me you hi Akosua Takyiwaa obebo eni mienu wo me peche na ene insama me de nam nom peche Esther eba yen studio ahaya na ye ne twetwe enkomo na Joy ebusa no question efa gospel artist Oma Wari Esheki ebiso akotu soon ebiso atoba pranim ye hu de ereko apese ekire ma enyo bia na sebio obi enu a obeka se merekwa awari misa awari no engu debida na emom no ase awari na ehye da nyi fapem wa Kristo ma ena esa let's say pesie asemi but Joy, do you know you are trending on my page?
I am.
Me catch you. You know ochema musicians are on my worry and sheda and engina ye no enye se one pe so we pe so make kwari say awari ningu debi but you know awari gu ho e wo ho nti de yen twa so sister B awari yen ka wa ha na ohima wo ye je so ababe kasa or your radio personality, a big one for that matter. So I see author, watch your books. Now, or him out here, just those times, no, all worry, no. Now for you couldn't phone, papa. And I just want to take in claim, no person who the area coso. Also, yes, sir, you won't be happy in the marriage. They say, I do wajai, hey, you couldn't phone to me, Belia, a better Bella Madiachi, on fat, or your Biana faithful couldn't phone, you won't be happy in the marriage, but you're a veiled seal. It's young Hera.
But when you raise that question, I'll tell you that me kuno say because I'll still hold on to him if I want him and I want to keep my marriage. Kaneno, ebiana me handle the ye because I mean name tiasie one year my bit mama. But today I don't even complain. The way I me complain is very pleasant. And sometimes you would even ask me why am I is everything okay? You because we say maybe are you okay? Because you're not hearing me asking you of nothing.
And also, I am dangerous.
First, and I'm younger. No, I would take your phone and try to know where I go on with you. And today, my lord, your phone can ring till the next 24 hours. You'll come back to come and see and check your own missed calls and whatever whoever called. It's up to you.
Say the advice kakra emaye na shout out to Kingdom FM hona or ye interview that me so ache masama machia with the ebro no. And I think one council also said it. Ukunu phone now enkofa uko hey, the fact that you are suspecting that something day inside for something day, it's day. Why do you want to know the wagwan? If you can solve the wagwan, and himwa oyeje eka. Now, Kwame Yujibe Kenya and maybe was social media watch him Kwame stop doubt. So name say Aya Empress Gifty, watch me no Kwame Enecho Emano, and Joyce Blessing Vichy no so Kwame Necho Mano. Now, Mafuchema I say watch me Empress in every Janet sing a victory no but victory is near the power in underneath my life and giving me victories, you know, like what is happening, like why now according to Kwame Eugene Aya Joyce Blessing didn't promote the song well and nunti and a victory and shada in to me kagidi Joyce Blessing rely on the natural promotion asking and you're buy na air is no or relax because now we'll be able to victory but say obey correct promotion no one yen is on the tron your mouth with jamal the rest you on your own but Empress Gift even though the song has a hook will be able to watch me more here than me be or sounds the energy be ashem and we promoting your no mamun kase and come ye as or tron your ma of course wo ohwe brand no so no focus wo ho more or say there be onyesa or no the inspiration ne ba no artist or person trauma na we no be ya ma no be because even this victory come using na or direct video no kwa he was there but Ochema Joyce Bless and shut down fa ahokeka gidi and shemusa it's a say why bayals na mentu aso no na kwabna aba beka sem so nje kwabna he's in this is the second marriage egu no chema oh ni nua funny face or social media and some of the videos are funny face posting na oh ne ho in that because time ni divorce ni buy and say your friends and our family support bia on this picture because kawa sama minyasa you gotta say kwabla what's that kintes what's that let depression in the na the fresh it them I say share na mu hu funny face or your video si fan he could see na nko no so or we be depression is real especially second marriage na hate say no because he did everything possible say uncle be keep marriage no but uncle siaga and so there are that say onyam some industry fu bi a supporting and again friends and family so buan anka ye be hu so or no so e behave to say funny face na divorce enye easy na Ghana fu chema say it's na say mu usu beti ubi no na fast or dress out shamia skirt kakra na Ghana fuka o na Ghana fuka after I was night baby na bra aka kintes yes hey Kwabna. Master, I'm all for people are going through things, especially celebrities. So let's take it easy on them. Now, my story way. This is the story is there for joy. What's so sad? Me say you are trending on my page, and then maybe join your concern. Maybe no concern. Miss story Sefa yerika about a record label Zaman Fujai. Sefani Black what's the Black Avenue for Tunkwanta Omo Apai sister Chema new growth in baby we do know she thinks she can do things on her own, even though Wambambe can Diesi Ankasa on your Omo Tunkwanta Omo Apai. But then I believe say we are say human beings are subject to change and growth, right? It's not listen baby we do know obeko nenima because Black Avenue so ye be amano. It's we wish them all the best. We just hope you say this won't be another artist away from record label on page. We just hope because Ghana future myself I won't me you hit back women and who should be the sana Ghana for eka ni who should be wa wo the back women be buy but fasa this that we have records movie record label amunt me page we hope you say we then dey enkoba sa now my final story kwadonko mu wa ha ahia am de beso mu say obo delay dia say on why fine kwesi say omabom kwadonko eko Nana Mac Brown show so Emma man no delay product CB ma kwadonko chema sisi ade on a delay album. I think that's a video, so let's watch it and come back. Oh, my video isn't yet ready. Anyways, so that's all I have for you for now. But Joy, wouldn't say pace here by no be a question be concerning if you come on if you sneaker. So why me here? She having the image and sex. I think the sex scandal now is come and see. I posted that video on my page. Come and see. And then I'm for trouble. Na channel mu trouble me nim say me ni wani musa. Me mo na wa ya me be nya me na me busa question. Ejima when easy o. That is it.
You won't be working towards stardom and be afraid of a little bashing.
Of course. But what trend the papa?
But the thing is, make sure say what me here lantam. Any if anything PCA star omu interview no.
Right.
And she wasn't shy to put that out there. Into ono can wasem no slow ferry so the better why should it be me? Besides, I also said that I've worked with Sewa me here personally.
Don't
I used to work with EIBA and like I said, she was the first person at Mira makeup room no woho and she was the first person to say Joy, your dress is beautiful but it's too plain and no mommy brooch at the bomb material me the koya one or the brooch but I know
she's a
good.
Sweet person
she's a very sweet person and she would always be the one to tell me Joy, you are beautiful. In fact that who my husband or no any that time your boss Nana
Alaba
Nana ba Anamwa sometimes and the Akotia, where did you find this beautiful man? About with your bro, so me and no rough. So these are sweet like people.
Me,
I'm not scared. Somebody told me, but the person at Chilemusa, only Joy, I chanced on something. A question you ask, and people were bashing. What the TV? So now we throw a little bashing.
My final story.
Let's go.
Final story before I get out. A kung fu colleague. And a Ghana food super papa say, hey, what's be a day, sir? Now say, yeah, we 2 years pepe. Why, yeah, I throw it, me come cap him. I throw and to say, now I assemble a comfort colleague and a first and late wife, Yankaya Busiaya on Pacho, Yankaya Busiaya. At the social media training na media pano na you know why if fefe ma no ye nurse or fire fro o do time a okwa akwo no e na sebe o fimo e na ne bani nyina na 2 years on e na papai asenya ne ho kafu bi ma wa ye wedding na nya wedding ketwa e na Ghana fu se wo ye wudi ni papa anka de wenke what all the better social media po because o ye sa now what kai ebusiana wa hye o madehye no one dehye no wa kai o mo yaw na ba wa panka 2 years ni obia na ka ne kunu wo yanka 10 years cry no worry. So your berry ma dey. And me say, oh, that's all your berry ma. Then na why ye? Bonnie bang na why? And yes, Sebio no kum no. It's there, and I believe one of them was painful death. Say ube kwa wo super. Ube sure won kwa sam sure wo ba ebusia obi ohwe bia na ebusia bia experience sa na yen kai obi ayaw. Enka obi ayaw. Bagana food dey super colleague papa say unye hu ni pe bia unye. Ena bride no omecha oma scan bride na the arabia to ni yefun so beheka na ma menye na me say hey social media that place anyways and I made entertainment story in that so media me so prophetess actually masawa Akosua Takyiwaa pacha no we follow yen yen socials so follow yen tiemu hi Instagram Max TV GH and afi so Twitter that is X Max TV Ghana me pacha me personal handle now follow me at Akosua Takyiwaa Akosua bebo no we peche ho ne kwata konkonsa so ate joy
Akosua Takyiwaa Akosua wa ya de o me de me kan se wa ya de mfie mienu
2 years
oye be ma ebusuan kora be hye wo se pe obi mane at least nka within 6 months ni 1 year na oye ya kuna amamre mu no afi
1 year
1 year mema kora nse da nye kuna mane nye din se ma me de meka say for se ne be ya na brabo be kototin no emfie mienu achi na se wanya oba bi oba ware na hwe in fact otwen emfie num krank obi benya ho asem aka me de nia meka ne se sade a wo ye no entia onyankopon mra entia oman a uwo mu no mra na se wo ankasa ade a wo ye no ebe ma ho atowo a wo tan tie nipa no a wo be bodam intermediate ne wo no for me I believe say emfie mienu de okonfo colleagues and one wa ya ade Akosua Takyiwaa